Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of hauls and reviews. Under hauls I have hauls related to makeup, clothing, skincare, accessories, and under accessories I do have bags, footwear, and some other knickknacks and all. I do have lot of hauls for that. And under review section I do have lot of reviews for makeup, skincare as well as some battle of the products. That is, I have already compared two products of different brands, or maybe same brands but giving you the same results or something. I have compared lot of products as well on my channel. So if this is what you are looking out for, then yes, you are at the right place. Do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, then definitely you can follow me on Facebook as well as on Instagram. The links of the same will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. And if you can see two different kinds of mascara, and if you can feel both the mascaras are giving different effects, yes, because just prior to this video I have compared two mascara, basically not compared, just shown. One is the Lash Lift mascara on my right hand side, and one is on the left side is the Maybelline Less Sensational mascara. So the video I think will be either up before this or after this. If it is before this, I will be linking that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. And if you have already watched, then you can continue watching this. And if not, after watching this video, you can watch that video as well, right? And that is why I have not applied anything on my eyelids. Alright, now let's begin with the video. From the thumbnail and from the title, you all must have basically just guessed this is a combined haul of Nykaa as well as Purplle. I am not going to make separate hauls. I have just compiled all the products together in one haul. So I'm going to make a huge haul video, right? So this is the box of Nykaa. Not a sponsored video. One second. Not a sponsored video. You all can see all the products I have got by my own money. I can show you the bill of Nykaa. I'm not sure, the print is not visible, but still you all can see this is the bill of Nykaa. All the products I have got by my own money, so nobody is sponsoring me, right? And it came in this time it came in this kind of some paper wrapping, right? Under the inside the products were all bubble wrap, but the packing was the paper wrapping. Alright, the first thing is, this is a repurchase. You all can see one bottle is already there. This is basically for my mom. I got this from her just to show you. She is using this right now because the label is already out, and this is the new product. Okay, she liked it so much, and I always get her dark brown color because dark brown will give you natural effect. The black one gives you a stark effect. This is basically a root concealer, that is like root touch-up concealer. Like if you have some grey hairs and it is in the inside, like your root or somewhere, then definitely you can just spray it. It is a temporary effect. It will not give you permanent solution. That is, once you wash your hair, it will go off. So definitely this is like a survival in your rush hours. Like if you are running short of time and you do not have the time to color your hair or something, that time you can definitely use this kind of spray. Okay, if you want I can just show you because she has already used this. It comes in this kind of nozzle. You just have to keep little bit away from your roots and just have to spray. Do not have to touch till it dries. That's it. Leave it. It will dry up and it will take your hair color, or like it will give you a dark brown effect on your hair. Okay, so this is the one bottle which she is using, and this is the new one which I am going to give it to her. Okay, so this is the first product. The second product is this Love Beauty and Planet Tea Tree and Vetiver Aroma Radical Freshener Shampoo. This is for 400 ml. It's a vegan product, and this is, I think I have heard lot of good reviews for this particular brand. Say yes to vegan, say yes to certified cruelty free, ethically sourced vetiver with plant-based cleanser, 98% biodegradable formula. This bottle is made from 100% recycled plastic, no silicons, no added parabens, no dyes and no guilt. This is PETA certified cruelty free and vegan brand. Okay, this is actually how much? 400 ml. The MRP is 600 rupees, but I got it for I think 404 or something. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, and basically you all know I try a lot of shampoos before this. Like right now I'm using Scent Botanica shampoo. I have one more bottle of Scent Botanica shampoo. That review is already up on my channel. If possible, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can check. Scent Botanica shampoo I had ordered. I got two variants. One is already I'm using. One is already in my shelf. And this is like, you can say, a backup shampoo, because shampoo is like you require, and during the sale time you can get benefited. So that is why. Okay. The third product is from Nykaa. This mascara, as I told you, the review will be either up or maybe after that up, then it will be already linked. You can check that video. This is Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and I got it for around 450 rupees. I'm not sure, around 450 rupees. This mascara. Okay, so this is the next product. Then basically you all must have seen my Mamaearth hair spa video. If not review, that is basically not the video, the review video. If not, then I'll be linking that video also up in the I button as well as in the description box. So in that I have already told you how I felt about the product and all. And basically I got two tubs of hair mask, different. One was tea tree one, which I've already finished it. And the second one is, I think if I'm not wrong, argan oil one. That is still I am using it. Halfway I'm done, still halfway is like balanced. But then I thought ki during sale time I can get some new hair spa product. So I wanted to try this brand, Schwarzkopf. You all can see it is a Schwarzkopf. I can tell you, Spa Essence. It is hydrating cream mask for dry hair, and you all know I do have dry skin as well as I do have dry hair also. So I got this. This is for 500 ml. Net content is 500 ml, and the MRP I think was 600 rupees or something. I'm not sure, but I got it for 500 ml and for 600 MRP. But I got it for around 489 rupees, if I'm not wrong, 489 rupees. And with this particular, like I can show you with the seed, but when I use it, if you want a particular video on this, do let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate review video for this. You can see it is a seed. I have not yet opened, so I cannot comment how it works and all. But yeah, definitely I can smell from here. It smells very good, like spa kind of. So if you want me to make a review video on this, do let me know. So with this, when I ordered this, this was automatically added in my cart. This is Schwarzkopf Bonacure Hyaluronic Moisture Stick. I am not sure. It is spray conditioner for normal to dry hair. And this is for 50 ml. And this is absolutely free. And I can just tell you the MRP if it is written. I'm not sure where is the MRP. But since it is written over here. Yeah, it's free. So I don't think MRP is given over here. But if it is written, I'll mention it in the maybe on the description box or maybe on the screen. If I'll find it, then I'll definitely mention it. I can just show you. Okay, this is a kind of a spray bottle. So you all can see I have not yet used this also, so I can't comment on this as well. So this is basically the last product from Nykaa. Yeah, I actually got very less product because I do keep on ordering lot of products. So the products which I was in need, I ordered that only. I have not like overboard this time, not went overboard, just in my limit. Okay, now I'll just show you what I got from Purplle. You all can see the bill. This is the bill from Purplle. I got all the products by my own money. Again, not a sponsored video. Okay, this is the first product. This is from Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. Okay, it is in the variant Mentos Mint. Okay, the review video of this is already up. Again, I'll be linking that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So don't forget to check that as well, because I actually get all the products for you all, not for me, because I wanted to give you my opinion. That is why I ordered. Otherwise, you can just imagine how much a one person will use. And since nobody is sponsoring me, I get everything by my own money. So I make video for like, if I think yeah, you will require this kind of video, so I make a video on this, because I have not seen anyone also talking about this product. But in fact, this product is a very good product and I liked it. If you talk about the MRP, it is 510 rupees. Of course, this is only, I think, 8 grams. I'm not sure, 8 or 5 grams. 5 grams. But this is a boom for oily skin. So if you have oily skin, definitely you can try this powder. It's an excellent powder. Do watch that video also for detailed review. Alright. And then the last thing is, I'll show you here only. These are the 6. I'll show you. The 6 highlighter stick from Bella Vostre. I got each and every shade. The review video is also, you can see the 6 highlighter sticks. Okay, all 6 shades, 01 to 06, all shades I have already reviewed. The review video already is up on my channel. It will be linked up here in the I button as well as in the description box. So don't forget to check. I have swatched each and every highlighter on my hands here as well as on my hands here, and as well as I have shown the review on my face also. And this is a new launch product, and I have reviewed all 6 just for you people, so that you don't have to search another video and you don't have to go to any other channel to search for the shade range. Alright, so I have swatched each and every shades. So I think, yeah, I have covered each and every point. I have shown you all of the things. You will say कि Meghna, these are very less products, but if you will calculate, definitely it is like for a person like who is not getting anything sponsored, or like nobody is sponsoring me, for a person, then definitely this is for me, yeah, it is a nice haul. Now I cannot say it's a huge haul. I have not shown you any kind of Lux brands or anything, but the brands which I have shown you, I required all that product and I ordered that product, and I am very happy with the haul. So if you have anything to ask me or anything, definitely you can let me know in the comment section, as well as if you want to ask me any other thing, you can directly DM me on Instagram as well. And yeah, if you have any other video suggestions also, that also you can mention in the comment section. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel. Stick around my channel because lot of new launch reviews are coming up. I've already planned and already the things are under process. So please consider subscribing, and not only consider, subscribe to my channel for all reviews. Alright, because it will be non-sponsored reviews. Right? So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.